Hi everyone, welcome to our after school evening routine. And as a family of 5 with young kids, our evenings are filled with homeworks, cooking, cleaning, and so much more. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be our evening routine. I'm gonna say kind of an after school evening routine, and as the holiday season is coming closer and closer and closer, guys, of course the kids are gonna be off from school very soon. And you guys, you know me, like if you know me well, you know that I'm a clean freak. I'm the type of person that I don't know how to function where there is dirt, guys. And of course, if you have kids, you guys know I have 3 kids, and most times I'm always with, like, I always tell people that broom and packer and mop is my best friend, guys, because I'm always cleaning. I mean, when you have kids, or if you have kids, you know what I mean, from spilling to dirt all over the place, pieces of paper, cookies, snacks, guys. You know what I'm talking about. I love anything that makes life so much easier, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very, very, very important tool, guys. Like I said, I'm always with what? Mop and broom, guys. And with this particular product right here, you have everything. Like, you have 2 in 1. And I'm talking none other but my new robot vacuum. This is actually a robot vacuum. It vacuums and also it mops at the same time. And like I said, as a mom, guys, like you already know the deal, right? So with this right here, I love the fact that it's it can vacuum for you and also it can mop. And this is the Matic robot vacuum. When it comes to advanced technology, when we are talking of robot vacuum, of course, you guys know we have a lot of robot vacuums in the market, but this right here, like, throughout the time, I've had it for probably almost a month now, and anytime I use this vacuum, I'm always wowed, because kind of as simple but also at the same time very, very advanced. Let's talk about the app, because the app is so easy. Of course, you guys know with robot vacuums, you need an app to be able to operate it. And going down to the settings, it's so easy to use. And one amazing thing, like one thing that I feel like this just gives other vacuums a headway, or kind of it just moves other vacuums by the side, is the fact that it's able to map out your home. So first things first, when I got it, I was able to go ahead and put it to work. Like, it was able to map the whole area in my home, so that way it's easier for it to work. Whenever you want it to mop or vacuum, it already kind of it's kind of familiarizing your home. The robot vacuum loves to familiarize your home, so it kind of maps out your whole house, as you guys can see. I'm not sure if you guys can see my phone right here, but this is my entire, like, my upstairs, my upper living space. This is how it looks. So it's able to map out everything, so that way you're able to, like, select. Another also amazing thing I love about this vacuum is the fact that with your home, once it's able to map out the home, you can easily go ahead and kind of tap any area in the house you want it to clean. So let's say, for instance, your living room is clean, maybe your hallway is clean, your kitchen is clean, and you just want it to go into the kids' room, and vacuum or mop. You simply just go to the map and you instruct it. You kind of, I'm not sure if you guys can see, hold on. So it prioritizes exactly where you want it to clean. As you guys can see here, we have my Matic right here. This is like the kitchen area. And then I have my hallway. And another thing is, it's able to distinguish between, your floor, your normal floor, and also your carpet. As you guys can see, I have carpet right here, and then I have carpet right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and send it to clean. It's saying it's ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and say clean. And as you guys can see, it mapped out exactly my upper living space, and it wants me to, if I want to select all, I simply just go here and tap select all. But if I want to prioritize the areas where I want it to clean, which is one amazing thing I absolutely love about this vacuum, is I'm able to tell it exactly where to clean. So let's say I want it to clean the kitchen. So as you guys can see, I just selected the kitchen, and then this is the kids room, and I tap on it. So I have 1 and 2, and then you can either tell it to vacuum or to mop or to do both. So I'm just going to tell it to vacuum. And as you guys can see, look at that right here. Can you guys see the vacuum? It's already, look at this, it's already making its way to exactly where I sent it to clean. How amazing! Let's say you're at work and you want your home to be clean before you get home. You simply just go to your Matic app, and you're able to instruct your robot vacuum what exactly to do, and also where exactly you want it to clean. And another thing is scheduling, guys. Of course, my vacuum, it's still doing its thing. It's cleaning upstairs. I usually would love to clean my whole house every Saturday, So I just simply tap the scheduling where it says add schedule, and you just go ahead and tap exactly where you want it. You go ahead and tell it exactly what to do, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose the time. Let's say I want it to clean 10 a.m. I'm just going to go ahead and click Sunday, set vacuum schedule, and then I set it. And the fact that I'm able to control it exactly where to clean, and also it's like you're playing a video game, guys. Sometimes when I'm using it, let's say that it's maybe mopping a particular area and it's not getting it, exactly how I want it, I can simply just go to the app, use the control tab, the control key, and I'm able to move it forward, move it backward, move it by the sides, and also move it 360. The advanced technology of this vacuum is so amazing, and I'm so excited because I can't wait to show you guys, like the practicality of this particular vacuum. So let's go ahead and get into our evening after school routine. Am I the only one her kids look ruffled up when they get home from school? Apart from them looking worn out, it's always as if they went for a kung fu fight. But anyways, you guys, it's after school hour, they are back, and usually at this time, I usually take like towards the evening around 4 o'clock to make dinner, and most times they always catch me in the kitchen. And of course, I had to get my kisses from my baby boy. And yep, guys, as you guys can see, I'm making dinner, and this is the time they always take to maybe relax, watch maybe 1 or 2 cartoons, have their snack. Actually, they feed them in school, so they take snacks to school, and then they also have lunch in school. So most times by the time they get home, we're already talking about dinner. But please, guys, excuse their room is a complete mess until the weekend. But yep, guys, I'm going ahead to fix dinner. And also for today's dinner, we're making rice and tomato gravy, guys. Of course, you guys, come on, you can never, especially with kids. My kids, they love rice a lot, so I'm making tomato tomato gravy and rice. And during this time around, we love to do their assignments earlier in the day. I would say once they come back from school and rest for maybe an hour, they now go on ahead and do their schoolwork or their homework, because we've realized that them doing their homework earlier in the day actually gives them a much more much leverage, in terms of being able to relax. After having dinner, they are able to have their night bathes and then maybe just relax a little bit before going to bed, because they actually go to bed quite early, especially during school days. During the weekends they can stay up to maybe 10-11 p.m. but yeah, during school days, we always have them go to bed early. So over here, as you guys can see, they are tackling their assignments. And here, if they have any difficulty, of course they can come ask me or ask their dad, if their dad is around. But while they are doing this, guys, I'm almost ready with dinner. This is usually the routine. I'm almost ready for dinner, and they just, for some reason, the time when dinner is ready, and they as you can see, Angelique is always the first person to run in with her plate and everything. So we just dish out dinner and have them have their dinner. We always enjoy having dinner as a family, staying in the dining in our nook and just have dinner. And today actually, hubby, is a Tuesday, and hubby went for Bible study. So usually on Tuesdays we go for Bible study, but for today we weren't able to go, so he went. Hubby is actually one of the leaders in church, so he doesn't miss Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday services. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, this is the time we used to just have our dinner, and this is the time they love to gist me. Like they tell me things, over, like they gist me about what happened in school, and we just have our little moments, while eating. I know you're not supposed to be talking while eating, but this is like our time that we used to gist. So guys, immediately after dinner, we love to clean up, and as you guys can see, the twin is doing the dishes. We actually share the dishes between the both of them. So if one twin does the dishes today, the other one we do tomorrow, the other one we do next tomorrow, it actually helps them a lot. We used to be so addicted with dishwasher, but we decided that, it's good for them to also learn how to do dishes with their hands. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, we are cleaning up, and I use this time to tackle like my stove, my countertops, and of course I sent my Matic vacuum to work. Oh my gosh, guys, you see this vacuum? Like, let it come on, guys. You see this vacuum? I am literally obsessed, as in, look at how it's just coming out and it's getting to work. So with this right here, if it's days where I want it to mop the kitchen, of course, like I told you guys, you can physically select exactly where you want it to clean. So let's say I don't want it to clean that rug right now. I'm just going to omit the rug from the selection, and it's going to avoid my rug. So basically, you just select the areas where you want it to clean. As you guys can see, I have my feet up. One of the twins is doing the dishes, and my Matic is, look at me with all my feet up and everything, and the Matic is just doing the job. I absolutely love this vacuum a lot. You can save an extra $100 off your pre-order on maticrobots.com, which is a $580 value. Includes free 1-year Matic membership, unlimited replacements, HIPAA bags, and more pros. Like, guys, definitely check this out. I'm gonna link it in my description box. But yeah, guys, of course, my refrigerator is always the last thing to be cleaned before lights out in the kitchen. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon.